السلام علیکم. یہ آج ہم بادشاہی مسجد آئے ہیں اور ہمارے ساتھ ایک ساتھی ہیں جو فرانس سے تشریف لائے ہوئے ہیں اور یہ اپنا جو مقصد بتا رہے ہیں وہ بھی یہی بتا رہے ہیں کہ یہاں پر وزٹ کے لیے آئے ہیں. تو آئے ان سے ملتے ہیں اور بات کرتے ہیں. ہیلو سر, ہاؤ آر یو؟
I'm good. How are you?
Yes, I'm also fine. So, tell me something about your visit. You came here just for visit to
Yeah,
Bادشاہی
I
مسجد,
come
huh?
here to visit Lahore.
Okay. So, how is this?
Really good. It's
Tell
really
me
nice.
something about Pakistan.
Yeah, it's really nice. People are nice. Landscapes as well, and food is good. So
Okay,
everything
thank you.
good.
Thank you. Which places you are visited? You have visited?
Northern part mainly. Northern part mainly.
Okay.
Gate, Skardu, Chilas. These
Okay.
places. Yeah.
Have you visited Shahi Killa,
No,
the
not yet.
historical fort of Lahore?
Not yet. I will go tomorrow.
This is near.
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
have
I
to visit.
Yeah, sure,
Okay.
sure.
Thank you very much. Some
Thank you.
words for our Pakistani people.
Okay, nice to meet you guys, and yeah, really nice. Pakistan is very nice. I enjoy it.
Thank you very much for visit of our country. Thank you.
Thank you.